Hi guys, so I did promise you guys that I will show my cocoa bar. I know usually people just do cocoa bars Christmas time, but I think you should do it at least, you know, the whole time that it's cold outside. It is starting to get warm. I know here today in North Carolina it's like 62. No, it might be 75 now, but I know this morning was 62. So I just wanted to share this as well, and I will insert the Christmas footage because Nadia, she requested it, and she's been a long time watcher of my channels and friend, and we always talk about our boys and stuff like that. So I wanted to share this. I didn't want her to think that I didn't see her comment. Sorry about Josiah. I didn't want her to think Nadia, that I didn't see her comment. So the only thing different is not really nothing different from the Christmas. The boys love to go through the marshmallows and the peppermints, and I just switched it out here with a little sign, and for Valentine's Day, and some little some roses with that little milk bottle that I created for that wedding. And then here's just some chocolates if anybody wants some. The chocolates, really Jason doesn't eat chocolate, so one of my students on my bus, he gave me this chocolate, so I just set that there. And somebody just set this little onion back here, this little food saver, set that back there in the back. And so what I'm getting ready to do is switch this out. I took all the Valentine stuff down. Usually I keep it up all month, but yeah, I took it down. So this little sign that says every day is a fresh start, I really did purchase this for the little coffee bar, because it's also a coffee bar, from Dollar Tree. And so I finally opened that up and gonna place that there. Take this down. I am going to take this down, and I think because they're not using it as much as I thought, of course, because cocoa was about over with, but even Jason's not using the coffee as much. So I'm going to do a protein bar. I've been wanting to do that, so yeah. And then I'll share that, a little protein bar. I don't know if it's gonna be right here, Josiah, or if it's gonna be over there on the other counter. And a lot of times I don't like to say what I'm doing now, because people, I don't know, I just leave it at that. I just try not to say what I'm doing. Let me insert that other footage from Christmas time. And again, I'm so sorry it took me so long to upload this. Maybe this will give you some ideas or some tips from if you want to do it next year, or just want to do a coffee bar and everything. But everything's the same. Everything's the same. And I just took the little mugs down. And then the cocoa bar slash coffee bar slash apple cider bar over here is, yes, I'll just start right here. So this 10 serving tray here, galvanized, came from Walmart. I've used this for a couple of other things. And here has some apple cider and some hot cocoa, and it's in this container from the Target One Spot that I got last year, the year before. Back here in the back, I have a cake platter that I got from the Target One Spot as well, 1 or 2 years ago. And then also the mugs from Dollar Tree. I think I had these at least 3 years, and mainly the boys, they use those. I do have some cups here that I set here on the back, so if they want to take it with them to school. And then also here are the cups to go with it. This serving bowl came from Aldi as well. I think it was a 3-pack. I don't know if this is part of that 3-tier stand. I want to say it is. And so I just put some hot cocoa, little K-cups, dupe K-cups in here. These are from Dollar Tree, the little cocoa cake cups. This is the very first Christmas tree I think I got from the Target One Spot. And I just placed that there. And my little key rig, because I don't drink a lot of coffee. I have this out for Mama if anybody comes over. Jason needs a pick-me-up or something like that. Then and it was a holiday and it's winter time, so I thought that I would bring it out and have it on the counter. So I think I picked mine up from HSN or QVC. This tier tray here is from Walmart as well, and I really like it. Normally I put bread and fruit and stuff on it, and a little breakfast bar. So here down at the bottom, there's just some extra candy canes. They'll come and eat one, and this is the only one that's left that wouldn't fit in here. I think some of them I got for Christmas cards. Huh? You peeping your pajamas? Yeah. Oh no, we don't want to do that. No, you didn't. And so I have these little circle bowls here. They came in a 3 trio as well from Aldi. I have some creamer in here, a little bit of sweetener. I think that's Trivia, and I have some donut shop coffee back here, and I think this is some kind of I can't see through the camera. Caramel cappuccino. So I only put a few back there because I know we don't drink coffee a whole lot. Then this little 3 trio here of jars, they were $3, and I got these recently the other day from the Target One spot. They were just sitting there all the lonesome, and so I was going to use the milk. I'm going to use the milk bottle idea that Simply Sherry had, and if we have like a party or something, I like that idea where she put all the toppings in and you can just shake it. But so here are the jars, and I'm using these right now so I can cover them up, and that's just some peppermint, and I just left it in the wrapper and not chomped it, but smashed them up. Then here's some marshmallows. JJ likes to dig in those, and some chocolate chip. So I haven't checked to see if our local Dollar Tree has more syrups than these, but here's the vanilla syrup that I showed in at home. Some confection sugar. I need to put that over there for the waffles. Some sugar. This is actually cinnamon and sugar. And so I think the cinnamon one, these jars come from Dollar Tree. So it was kind of rusted at the top. So I said, I'll just use this one. And I need to pick up another one. Here's some pralines. These will be good to put in this little jar here that I have on the top. They're the little milk jars. But I didn't want to. I had to cover it up with some kind of cellophane, and I wanted to have a seal tight shut seal. So this garland here is actually from Dollar Tree, and I just cut it and wrapped it around it. And then all of the little cups from Dollar Tree here. So the boys don't really use these. If they do, I know JJ used not tap water. He used room temperature water. So I'll make sure that they won't get too hot when they use these. And then also what you probably can do is make some kind of sleeve, some little cozy or something for that. And then I have the peppermints in the little milk jar.